Today is leg day, indoor leg day. Outdoor leg day looks a little different, but today I'm just going to be doing kind of a light workout. Actually, it's Sunday afternoon and I'm really not that inspired. But anyways, we are going to do just a little bit of a leg workout today. Keep those thighs and calves toned. So like I said, next time we go hiking, I'm ready to go. We're going to start out with my giving a little plug to, I'm really kind of upset with the Hoka Corporation. I have problems with my shoes. I get blisters really badly. These are Hoka Carbon X3s. First pair of shoes I've had in about the last 10 years. Yeah, I wore the heels. I wear the heels out of them all the time. But first pair in that many years that has not given me a blister whenever I take them outside or work out. And they discontinued, the jerks. So I'm thinking I'm gonna have to go to eBay and buy every pair I can find. I don't know, because yeah, I don't really care to continue with the whole blister thing that I've been doing my whole life. So on to the leg workout. So before I get started on my workout, I always try to do some warm up, both with leg stretches and stuff. I think I mentioned before in a previous video that I have an Achilles rupture. I also have, that was like 2.5 years ago. And I also have another foot that I've had a couple surgeries on for stuff. So, but the older I get, the more stretching is important. So I warm up with the ball before leg workout, and I also do some stretching sitting on the floor and just some stuff to warm up backs, muscles and such, because the last thing you want to do is start out with an injury. So when we get old, super important. Was important when we were young, even more important now.